Hi guys and welcome. I'm Philip English from RoboFeel.com, and on this video is an interview with Sang-Ho Hyon from the Humanoid Systems Laboratory, which is part of the Ritsumeikan University in Japan. We managed to speak to Sang-Ho at the IREX 2015 Robot Exhibition in Tokyo, Japan. Humanoid Systems Lab is offering the best research environment to explore state-of-the-art hydraulic humanoid robots, quadruped robots, exoskeleton robots, hydraulic actuators and more. Most of the robots are torque controlled, and the key components include the software and microcontrollers are standardised so the team members can quickly design and develop various robots to implement dynamic motion, controller or machine learning algorithms. Right, hi guys, Philip English again. So we're here at a very interesting stand today. We've got a gentleman here who's going to introduce himself, and this is part of the universities. So can you introduce yourself?
I'm Sang-Ho Hyon from Ritsumeikan University.
Okay, brilliant. So obviously, is this a university in Tokyo or out of Tokyo?
It's Shiga, near Tokyo, Kyoto, sorry.
Near Kyoto, okay, to the west.
Yes.
To the west, okay. So can you tell me a little bit about what you guys are up to?
We are developing a force control robot.
Okay.
We have humanoid robot and quadruped robot and many. And our robot can control the joint force precisely, very precisely. Using the force control, the robot can keep its balance compliantly even in on uneven terrain, very complex terrain.
I see. So what I notice is there's no motors or there's not a lot of power going into the robot.
So if you use electric motor, it's very difficult to control the force. In our robot, we are using very powerful hydraulic actuator.
Okay. Yeah, because that's the first thing. I've seen a lot of robots on telly, obviously, and you see him have big generators, you know, creating a lot of power. But this one is silent. You know, there's no big power that actually goes into it. So how long have you been working on these robots?
So I launched the lab 5 years ago.
5 years.
But personally, I started hydraulic robots when I was a PhD student. So it's 15 years ago.
15 years, okay. And do your robots end up going to a commercial space, or is it just research?
Currently, we are focusing on research, just research.
Okay. I mean, I must admit, like, they look very similar to like the Boston Dynamics guys. So, do you compete in the DARPA competitions, or?
We try to apply for that competition, but unfortunately, we failed to accept it. Our project was not accepted.
Okay, no, that's fine. I mean, maybe next year or like the year after that.
I'm not sure. Yeah.
See how it goes. Okay, no, that's fine. So, obviously, you've got three main robots. You've got a humanoid one, a dog-like one, and what's that one?
That one.
Spider.
Yeah. Spider-like. But this robot.
Yeah, that one. Yeah.
It has hydraulic power in it. On board.
On board.
Yes.
Okay.
So it's actually electric driven.
Electric driven, yeah.
So it's very silent.
It's very quiet. Yeah, I noticed these robots are very quiet. Okay, no, that's right. So I suppose the future is just more and more development and trying to, I suppose, eventually create a commercial product. Is that the plan, or?
It depends on our manpower or funds. But if someone is interested, then we are happy to collaborate.
So at the moment you have three robots. So are you going to be working just on those three robots, or are you looking to develop a fourth robot, a fifth robot?
It depends on students' interest. I'm okay with these three types of robots because we have to focus on the control. So if you have many robots, it's difficult to focus on research.
Yes. So. Yeah. And I think because you got humanoids, obviously a dog-like one, and another one. I think you've got the three main ones there. So, and obviously it's just the body part of the robot. Are you working on things like vision as well? Or?
That's a very important direction of research. Actually, we are even though we don't show the demo, but we are now we're trying to put many sensors to integrate the intelligent recognition.
Okay, very nice. So, does that mean in the future you can put some artificial like intelligence into the robot?
That's an important direction of research. Actually, we're gonna collaborate with AI guys or machine learning guys.
Okay, so like you guys will build that half, and the other guys will build the other half, and they collaborate. Is that in Japan? Yeah.
It's easier for us to collaborate in Japan, but it depends. If someone call us, we are happy to collaborate.
Okay, that's right. So your collaborations so far are just in Japan. Have you got any links to America or Europe?
Currently, we don't collaborate with the other institutes.
Okay, okay.
We're open.
But you're quite open to it. Okay. Which is it? I mean, it's a good like overview to see what you guys are doing. So like, thanks very much for your time. Thank you. Brilliant, thanks guys, I hope you enjoyed the interview, and I want to say a big thank you to Sang-Ho Hyon from Humanoid Systems Laboratory for his time in the interview. If you want to learn more about the Humanoid Systems Laboratory, I've put in links below for your review. Now if you like this interview and want to see even more robot news, reviews and tutorials, then please hit the subscribe button to get up to date with the latest videos that come out. If you have any questions or want to see a product review of a particular robot, then please write me a message in the comments section and I'll see what I can do. Thanks guys, looking forward to see you next time.